because my machine name is different. Again, those people who got confused, let me repeat it one more time. I can use Ubuntu machine also to run the Linux command. I can use my other server also to run the Linux command. Today I'm going to use my Linux command. Today I'm going to use my Oracle DBS server. I'm using my Oracle DBS server, but this is not going to change anything. I can run still all the commands which we have learned earlier. Okay. Now assume a situation that I want to know what are all file systems we have. I want to know what are all partitions we have. Like if I check my computer, if I go here and I check my computer like this, uh, here I can see that we have a C drive is there, we have a D drive is there, we have a E drive is there, right? I can see like that. I can see all my drives over here. Similar way, if I want to know that what are all drives, okay, similar way, if I want to know what are all drives we have or what are all partitions, we called it as a partition actually. How can I check? I can do that by using a command called df-h. So df-h is the command which will show me df-h is the command which will show me what are all df-h is the command which will show me what are all file system we have. Can you see that? df-h df-h is the command which will show me what are all file systems we have. So I can see here that we have this /dev. Can you see this is a root partition here? Can you see this is a root partition here? We have created /boot /temp. These are all called, we called it as a partitions that we have inside your operating system. What we called it as partitions. So if someone is asking, if your manager is saying that hi Harish, can you please tell me what are all partitions we have? So you can say that df-h is the command. What is the command? df-h. Is it clear, everyone? Can you please try to run this command and let me know once it is done? Let me know once it is done. Let me know once it is done. df-h. Okay. Let me know once it is done, guys. If you want to know what is the IP address of your machine, okay, if you want to know what is the IP address of your machine, you know, every Linux operating system or any operating system, not only just Linux, any server, if you want to identify this server, like just take an example, my name is Ankush. What is my name? My name is Ankush. So this is my name. This is my name. So every person will have a two type of identity. One identity will be your name and second identity will be his unique name. Like, so my name is Ankush, but there can be multiple people whose name will be Ankush, right? There will be multiple people, like maybe your friend name is Ankush. So name can be duplicated, but I need something unique. I need something unique identity. How it is possible? I need something unique identity. If you want unique identity, how to get that? The unique identity will be your IP address. IP address. So if you want to know what is the IP address of this machine, you can just fire a command like ipconfig. Sorry, not ipconfig. You can fire a command like ifconfig. What is the command you can fire? ifconfig. So it will tell you this is the IP address of your machine. But when you are doing it on the Ubuntu, you might be getting the error message. Okay, you might be getting the error message there. Can you please try to run this command ifconfig? Can you please try to run this command ifconfig? Are you getting any warning message or anything? What it is saying? Yes. So Can you try to run this command hostname -i? Can you try to run the command hostname -i? Can you please try to run this command hostname -i? You can run this command also. Both the commands are same. Is it showing you some IP address? Correct. Correct. Pratna is saying yes. Navin is saying yes. See, I remember some of the name who are joining me from the first day now. Okay. Rohini is saying yes. Rohit is saying yes. MD is saying yes. Harsh is saying yes. Devang is saying yes. Samir is saying great, 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 great. You people are doing very good job. Very good job. Very good job. Now, just take an example. Okay, now I'll tell you few more things inside the Linux today. Let's try to understand here. See here, whenever you are doing the Linux installation, okay, we'll talk about the user management today. What we are talking about today? User management. What we are talking here? User management. So what is user, guys? What is user? What is user? Why we need user? What is user? What is user? What is user? Why we need user? So user is a person who can connect to the database. Fine. So user can be anyone. Like you take an example that we have all the people are joining with us, right? All are users only. All are users only. Now we'll try to understand the same concept in terms of Linux. Like see here, we have created this Ubuntu, right? We have created this Ubuntu. On this Ubuntu, one person will be created automatically. What is that person? The very powerful person in the Linux operating system. A very powerful person in the Linux operating system who got created? Root user. Did I created this user manually from my side? No, right? This user got created automatically. Apart from this, there is one more user got created, and that user we have created with the name Learnomate. We have given this name at the time of Ubuntu installation, right? Similar way, if I want to create one more user with the name U1, if I want to create one more user with the name U1, how can I create that? I want to create one more user with the name U1. How can I create that? That is what we are going to learn in our today's lecture. That is what we are going to learn in our today's lecture, how to create a user. And to that user, we are going to provide a privileges. We are going to provide some permissions that you can do this. You can do this. That we are going to do. Like we have created this Learnomate user. I am going to create one more user called U1, U2. And to this user, I am going to provide some permissions. Permissions like read permissions. Like he can read a file. What he can do? He can read a file. He can write a file. All these permissions I am going to give. All these permissions I am going to give. Okay. So how to create a user? Okay, let me do one thing. If you guys are thinking that I am showing you something different and you guys are not comfortable with that, I'll just stop this machine and I'll start our regular machine, which is our Ubuntu machine. So this is our Ubuntu machine. Now are you feeling like you are at home because I'm starting my Ubuntu machine? घर जैसी फीलिंग आ रही ना. आई एम जस्ट स्टार्टिंग दैट. So I'm just starting the Ubuntu machine. Okay. One more important update that I want to share with you before this Ubuntu machine gets started, that we are going to start our SQL classes. As I promised, we are going to start our SQL classes now. Okay. Those people, I'm planning to change this meeting ID. Okay. I'm planning to change this meeting ID. So those people who are interested to join this free SQL and you want meeting ID, you do one thing. Go to the Learnomate. Go to our website learnomate.org. You need to go here. Then click on the webinar. Click on the webinar. Then go to the free SQL and Linux workshop which we started last time. Okay, and you need to fill up this form, name, email ID, and click on submit. No need to log in, nothing. Just fill up these details and you will get the meeting ID. Okay, so I'm sharing this link with you all. This is a link to enroll for the free SQL courses which I'm going to start now. Okay, so everything is free of cost. सब कुछ फ्री मिलेगा हमारे दरबार में. सब कुछ फ्री मिलेगा. सब कुछ मतलब फ्री SQL एंड लिनक्स. अरे व्हाई दिस मशीन इज नॉट स्टार्टिंग. Okay, it's starting. It's taking some time and machine is getting started. So take this as an opportunity and make sure you fill up the form. You will get the Zoom meeting link on your email ID, guys. Okay, on your email ID or on your WhatsApp number, you will get the Zoom meeting ID. Okay, so just go there and fill up the details. You'll get it. It's taking time. Okay, so we got the server and let me log in here with the help of Oracle. Please share this information with your friends, colleague, anyone. Now there are many people, they have missed the Linux classes and I'm telling you, believe me, we are going to charge like anything in future if you are coming for our paid courses. This is a golden opportunity for everyone. I don't know why people are not taking seriously, but you are, I hope you people, those who are listening me from the first day, they have gained a lot of knowledge in Linux. So whenever you are going for an interview, you will see a lot of people are asking the question on Linux. So take the advantages of it. Share this link with your friends, colleague, everyone, and ask them to attend the SQL classes from the beginning. Again, I'm telling you, the classes will not be available on YouTube channel. It will be live only. Okay. So share this information with everyone and take the advantages of it. Okay. Fine. Okay. Now we were talking about, let me record it.
Recording in progress.
Now I'm going back. So let me clear the screen. See here, whenever you want to create a user, I told you, right, in Linux operating system or in this Ubuntu, there are two users are there now, as of now, which we have created. One is root user. Actually, root we have not created, it got created automatically. Another user was Learnomate user. Now if I want to create this user, if I want to create a new user, first of all, I need to log in by using root user, sudo su-, because root is having the permission to create a new user. So I'm just logged in by using root user. There is a command user add u1. Don't use this command. I'll tell you one more command. Don't use this command. I'll tell you. You need to run the command like add user u1. What is the username? u1. What is the username? u1. Now it is asking you, whenever you create a user, it will create a home directory for that user. For every user, like for u1, it has created a home directory called /home/u1, /home/u1. For Learnomate, it has created a directory called /home/Learnomate, right? And under that we have a desktop is there. So u1 password I am giving u1 only. You are typing, but you are not able to see that. Remember that you are typing. Press enter. u1. The password is u1 only. Full name no need to give. Press enter, 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 enter. Is this a correct information? Yes. Why? Enter. The user has been created. Which user has been created? u1 user has been created. So how will you come to know that whether the user has been created or not? How will you come to know that? Whenever you are creating a user, that user information will be going to a file called /etc/password. There is one file is there, password file. I am going to open that file. By the name password, it doesn't mean that it is storing a password. It is storing the user details. If I am opening that file, password, PASSWD, not password. When I'm opening that file, I can see in the bottom u1 is there. I can see in the top Learnomate is there, and the rest of the user got created automatically. So whenever you want to know whether any particular user, whenever you want to know whether any particular user, whether any particular user exists or not in this operating system, where you can check password file, not this command, password. So if you want to create a user in Linux operating system, the command is very simple. What is the command? Add user, username, add user, username. It will ask you some questions like what is the password and or. If you want to verify, okay, this is going to create user, this is going to create user. If you want to verify, cat /etc/password, PASSWD, PASSWD. This is the location where you can verify it. This is the location where you can verify whether the user has been created or not. Are you able to understand? किसको किसको समझ में आ रहा है? Are you able to understand? Are you able to understand? Say yes, say no. Okay. Clearly. Okay. Okay, let's do that. Let's create it. Remember one thing, that we are going to start with the SQL courses. If you need a meeting link, you need to fill up that. You need to fill up that. Okay. Let's do that. Let's do that. Let's create a user. If you want to know how to create a user, there is a command I have written here. This is the command. Add user u1, like this. Add user u1. Try to create a user. Try to create a user. Let me know once it is done, guys. Let me know once it is done. Please repeat once. I'll show you practically, okay? Sudo su hyphen. If you want to go inside the root user, sudo su hyphen. Sudo su hyphen. Let me know once it is done. Okay, Navin is saying done, Tomar is saying done, Raut is saying not done, Sarita is saying done, Ali is saying repeat once, Devang is how to type password. When you are typing a password, you will not be able to see that password. You will not be able to type the password. It will be done. Divakar is saying done, Hassan is saying done, done. Rishabh is saying done, Kishore is saying done, Rishabh is saying done. कितने बार ऋषभ बोलोगे भाई? Krishna is saying done, Rajendra is saying repeat once. Fine. I'll show you this, okay? Let me do that one more time. Those people who are quite slow, let me do that one more time. Okay, let me do that. Fine. Okay, I'm going very slowly. Let's take an example. I want to create one user. What I want to do? I want to create one user. First of all, let me clear the screen. If I want to create a user, the command is add user u2. What is the command? Add user u2. So it is asking me enter the password of u2 user. What is the password I am typing? u2. Enter u2. Enter. It is asking me full name. No need to specify the full name. Enter, 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 enter. Lastly, it will ask you whether the information is correct. I'm going to say yes, the information is very correct. Done. Now where I can see whether the user has been created or not, there is a file called cat is the command to open a file. Which file? etc password file. PASSWD. PASSWD. If you are able to see that user under this file, you can see here that the u1 user was there and now u2 is there. So it means the user got created. How to check? How to check whether the user is created or not by using the GUI? You can do one thing. You can just log out. Can you just click here? Click on the logout and log out. If you click on the logout, I just click on the logout. अंधेरा हो चुका है. अंधेरे के अंदर आपको यूजर्स दिखेंगे. आपको सिर्फ थोड़ी सी वेट करने की ज़रूरत है. हो गया. क्या आपको यूज़र वन, आर यू एबल टू सी यूज़र वन एंड यूज़र टू? कैन यू सी यूज़र वन एंड यूज़र टू? कैन यू सी with your open eyes? Yes, yes, yes. Show me like this. Show me like this. Show me like this and say done. How to log out? Go here. You can see there is a battery option, is the battery. Go here, then click on logout and then क्या करना है? पावर ऑफ कर देंगे क्या? Okay, let me do one thing. Let me log in by using our normal user, Learnomate. Enter the password Oracle. डैश वाले बंदे. डैश 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 नाम से भी बंदे ज्वाइन करते। चोर पुलिस का खेल चल रहा हो क्या पता नहीं, डैश से नाम ज्वाइन करते जैसे कि खुद प्राइम मिनिस्टर है। जैसे सारी दुनिया उनको ही ढूंढ रहे। साला इधर हमारा नाम ओपन है, कैमरा ऑन है, 20,000 फॉलोअर्स है, 6,000 फॉलोअर्स लिंक्डइन पे है, लाखों लोग वीडियो देखते हैं। If you want to log in with U1, you can do that. Click U1 and enter the password. You can log in with U1 also. जनता समझ में आ रहा है? जनता जनार्दन, are you able to understand? The people who are listening me, can you understand? Okay, fine. I can see 99.99 people are able to understand. Fine. So whenever you see the user get created, this is the way you can create a user. Is it clear? Everyone. Oh, fine. Fine. This is the way you can create a user. Okay. This is the way you can create a user. I'll tell you one thing that. Oh, okay. Okay, let's do one thing, sir. First of all, this link will not be visible then for longer time. Just do the registration now only. I'll just wait for 5 minutes. Okay, I will not go ahead and I'll just wait for a few minutes. I'm sending you this link. Fill up the details. Okay, fill up the details now only. I'll wait for 5 minutes. Not a problem. Till that time I will just see what new command I can show you. Fill up the details I have given you in the chat. We are going to share you the SQL class. We are going to share you the SQL Zoom link on this email ID on your WhatsApp number. Okay, so fill up the details there. If you, उसमें भी कुछ लोग हो ना स्मार्टली प्ले करेंगे, गलत ईमेल आईडी डालेंगे, गलत डालेगा तो गलत जगह पे जाएगा, और गलत जगह पे जाएगा तो तकलीफ होगी, दिखेगा नहीं, इसलिए सही डालने का. ओके, प्लीज़ एंटर योर करेक्ट ईमेल आईडी एंड करेक्ट नंबर. We are going to share you the SQL Zoom link. Okay, please do that. I'm going to wait. So I'll show you a few more commands. PWD, LS, CD, CP, RMDIR. Find also we have seen grep. Okay, one grep command we need to show you. Not a problem. The WhatsApp group, what if you get the email message saying that you are not able to join the WhatsApp? Not a problem. Okay, we have your email ID. We'll share you the we will share you the correct WhatsApp group link by tomorrow. We'll do that. Okay, we will do that. If you get the correct, not a problem. Okay, so we are going to share you the Zoom meeting link related to the SQL by maybe by Sunday we will share with you. Okay, so we are working on it, and Sunday you will get Okay, I'm going to talk about I'm going to talk about everything, like how to install the database, how to do the SQL practice. Everything we are going to see from the beginning. So those people who miss the Linux classes, जो हुआ सो हुआ, उसको भूल जाओ. But now we are going to start with the fresh SQL training that will be fresh from the beginning. So do not miss my single class. You are going to learn like anything. Very simple, very energetic from the beginning by Mr. Ankush sir. You'll understand it. Okay. And I'm going to put my all the experience into that SQL training. Overall, I have 10 plus years of experience working with the IT companies. I have worked with the companies called Cognizant, Wipro, Infosys, L&T Infotech, and all small based companies. And not all, many small based companies. So believe me, you are going to learn a live practical base. The way we have learned the Linux, those people who are listening me from the first day, they know that what level of training we have taken. Everyone will understand from the beginning. So do not miss a single class. Okay, do not miss a single class. We are going to start with the SQL and Linux training from the beginning. Okay, we'll do that. So please utilize this. Okay, I'm just waiting, but please do that. Now, is it done, everyone? Registration? Fine. Now, let's try to understand the next part. Uh, Next part what? Okay. Okay. Assume a situation that I want to delete this user. Like we created a user, right? So after that, I want to delete this user. How to delete the user? If you want to delete the user can be deleted very easily. I'll tell you how. First of all, open a terminal. Okay, open a terminal. How to open a terminal? Okay, ना स्लो क्यों चल रहा है यार ये? Right click, open terminal. Okay, so I'm going to delete my u2 user. How to delete? User del u2. Just run this command. Okay, I got the error message that permission denied. Why? Because my currently user is Learnomate. So how to log in with root sudo su hyphen and press enter. Enter the password of Learnomate and then fire a command like user del u1. If I run this command, the user has been deleted. Can I see this user in host etc password file now? User del username. User del is the command to delete user. If I deleted user, I should not be able to see u1 user. I can see u2 user there, but I cannot see u1 user. What is the command? User del. User del. What is the command? User del. Please do that. What is the command? User del. Please do that. Please try to run the command user del. Please try to run the command user del. Please do that and let me know once it is done. Please do that and let me know once it is done. Please do that and let me know once it is done. Done. It shows currently used because your user is currently logged in. Okay, if your user is currently logged in, you cannot delete it. Okay, you cannot delete it. I'll tell you one more command which is very important and I think everyone should be aware about it. In your Linux, okay, in your Linux, 1 minute. If I clear the screen, if you want to know what are all processes are running in your Linux, if you want to know what are all processes are running, you can simply fire a command like ps-ef. Like in Windows, if you want to know what are all processes are running, you normally use task manager, right? What we do, we normally use task manager to know what all processes are running. Okay, same thing here. Okay, same thing here. Same thing, if you want to know what all processes are running, you can use a command like ps-ef. So whatever the processes are running, like your, let's say you are starting Firefox, so Firefox also have multiple processes, right? So you can that processes also Firefox. Like if I do ps-ef, I can see Firefox processes are also running in the bottom. Like let me show you. If I run ps-ef, and if you see here, there are some of the Firefox related process will be also seeing, right? Can you see Firefox, which is a browser? So what is the process, what is the command to check the, what is the command to check the processes which are running? ps-ef. What is the command? ps-ef. Please do that. Please do that and let me know once it is done. Please do that and let me know once it is done. Please do that and let me know once it is done. Please do that and let me know once it is done. process. Is it clear, everyone? Now, coming to the next part. But I'll talk about one more command. See, assume a situation that you want to search something in the file. Like let's take an example. You have fire a command like ps-ep. When you fire a ps-ep, you can see lot of processes are there. But I want to just search the Firefox related process. So for that you can use grep command. Grep is the command when you want to search something. Search something in the, not only just file, you can search anywhere. What is the command? Grep. Whenever you want to search something, you can use grep command. This grep command you can use with this grep command you can use with ps-ep also, like pipe, grep, and you can just mention Firefox. So what is this pipe? Whenever you want to combine two command, like grep is a one command, ps-ep is a one command. When you want to combine these two command, you need to use this pipe. What you need to use? You need to use pipe. Let me show you here. Like if I go here and try to open the Ubuntu, clear the screen. See, if I use ps-ep, I will see all the process, but I want to see specific process. So I'll say pipe, grep, and I'll mention Firefox. Pipe, grep, and Firefox. So it will show me only the processes which are running with Firefox. See here, wherever Firefox are there, I can see only this. So whenever you want to see specific, that time you need to use grep command. Grep is to search something. Grep is to search something. What is the grep? To search something. Are you able to understand? Are you able to understand? Okay. I'll show you one more example. See, we had a file called cat abc.txt, right? Okay, I have only one content is there. Let me see, pqr.txt. No, I don't have pqr. Let's take an example. I have a file called vi abc.txt. I'm going to add like let's say Oracle here, let's say database here, database, let's say Oracle DB is here. So how many places Oracle is mentioned here? How many places Oracle mentioned? How many places Oracle mentioned? How many times? 2 times, right? So if I open the file, let me save this file. Okay, let me save this file. If I open the file by using cat abc.txt, the complete file will be open. Complete file. By using cat command, the complete file will be open. But I want to open a file where Oracle mention. Oracle. Only that line I want to see. How to do that? Cat, open the file first. Then I'm saying pipe, grep, Oracle. Grep Oracle. I want to search wherever Oracle is there. But where? In the file abc.txt. If I run this command, I will only see Oracle and Oracle DBA. Are you able to understand? Are you able to understand? Grep is to search. Grep is to search. What I want to search? I want to search Oracle. Where? In the abc.txt. By using cat command. So cat abc.txt is a one command. Grep Oracle is a second command. But when I want to use both the command, I will use pipe. What I will use? I'll use pipe. Are you able to understand? Please do that. Please do that. Please use this and let me know once it is done. 5 minutes. चलो बुआ, चलो बुलावा आया है. चलो बुलावा आया है. Let's do that and let me know once it is done. Are you guys doing it with me or not? Are you guys doing it with me or not? Are you guys doing it with me or not? Doing na? Do that, do that, do that. And one more thing, please share your feedback. You can see, please share your feedback guys. यही तो है. Please share your feedback. I'm sending you one link. Please share your feedback. इतना तो कर ही सकते आप. Please share your feedback. So Arundhati is saying that is it possible to install the VMware Oracle VMware of MacBook Air? ये MacBook तो वही है ना अमीरों वाला. कर सकते हैं आप. जो चीज़ गरीबों के लिए वो अमीरों के लिए भी है. So it is available on MacBook also. Only the thing is when you are doing it on MacBook, the little bit things are different. So please fill up the I'm going to send you one link. Please fill up the review here. Okay, please fill up the review. Please fill up the review. This is what the only expectation from our side. And make sure that everyone fill up that SQL form also. That is very important guys, otherwise you will not get the link of SQL. There is no restrictions. So this is our Google review, what you used to write over here. So we got 526 reviews till now. Let me check some of the reviews what we have received from you. Okay, so this is the review where you need to submit your review. Please do that. Okay, so that will be very beneficial for me. So if I click on the reviews, बढ़िया लिखा है यार, खतरनाक लिखा. वरद ने आई एम इमर्सली का पहले इंग्लिश में क्या होता है भाई, थोड़ा सा हिंदी तो करेंगे. क्या होता है हिंदी, चलो मराठी में कर लेता हूँ. अपार्ट, ओके बढ़िया है. हिंदी में क्या होगा, बेहद. ओह सही है. I am immensely grateful for the opportunity to participate in your free online classes. The quality of the instruction and the depth of knowledge shared have been nothing short but remarkable. These classes have not been equipped with me essential Linux skills but have also ignited a passion for open source technologies. The dedication of the instruction, thank you, and the sense of community among the fellow learners have made the learning quality truly exceptional. Offering this education for free demonstrate a commitment in इंक्लूसिव. अरे भाई 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 कहाँ से भाई, इंग्लिश बहुत खतरनाक इंग्लिश है भाई. अरे यार इसका क्या होता है भाई, ऐसा ही खतरनाक. समाविष्टता, समाविष्टता क्या होता है. अच्छा इंक्लूसिव मतलब अच्छा अंदर ही अंदर लेना, ठीक है. एंड डिसमिनेशन, आज तो बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिल रहा है. आई एम टेलिंग यू ना, आई एम लिसनिंग, आई एम लर्निंग लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स फ्रॉम यू. प्रसार, प्रसार मीन्स on the knowledge that is truly commendable. Commendable मतलब पता है मेरे को. Thank you for unwavering support of the Linux community and eagerly took forward to continue my education journey with program. Very nice. Thank you. Bhakti is saying hats off to the efforts he explained very well. Thank you so much for the Learnomate technologies. बढ़िया लिखा है यार. क्या लिखा है? अरे भाई. Learnomate technology is essential. See, I'm always reading all these reviews. Okay, if you guys are thinking that I'm not reading, I am doing that. Okay, I am doing that. Okay, so I'll just go to the some new reviews where I can see sort by newest. किसने डाला आज? देखिए तो सही. Just now, excellent job and online training. Very good training. Base classes for Oracle. Most recommended. Ankush is just active and in inter class. His jest is unmatchable. Jest क्या होता है? Typo है क्या? Good training by Mr. Ankush. Thank you. Learnomate technology is exceptional. बढ़िया है. Explain Linux very well in theory and practically, so understand very clearly. Explanation is very easy. Thank you. See, these are the reviews which are helping us to understand that are we doing something good for the society or not. Okay, so I'll read that. How can I delete 100 line at a time in V editor? Okay, there is one question. I can show you, not a problem. I'll show you that. Let's say I'm in V editor. First of all, I need to type 100 lines, right? So how can I get the 100 lines? So I'll copy it from Firefox or anywhere. Do I have any file which is having 100 lines? I need let me open that. I need some 100 line, right? I'll just open that. 2 minutes. Jest equals to energy. Okay. Okay, thunder mail is for mailing only. Okay, now I need something for why this Firefox is taking too much time to open it. Okay, I need to purchase new laptop, man. I don't have money. All my monies are going in this free SPL and Linux training only. I'll just paste it. Assume a situation that I want to delete some. Okay, these are number of lines are there, right? So I am opening this V editor and there is a question that how can I delete? How to delete 10 lines in V editor? How to delete 10 lines in V editor? Okay, how to delete? So what I will do, if I want to delete 5 lines, so I'll mention 5 dd. Is it done? No. How to do that, man? How to do that if I want to delete 10 lines, or if I want to delete 2 lines? 2 dd. No, let me go on the top. I'm going to the okay. If you want to go, okay, see, it's very simple. First of all, go to the Google. I'll show you how to search anything. Go to the Google, then go to the Google and search it that how to delete 10 lines in V editor. Just search like this. Then you will see multiple blocks will be there. Just open any block. Whenever you want to delete current line, the dd command is there, but I want to delete multiple line. So what you can do, you can type 5dd and hit enter. Okay, so I'll do like this. I'll go here, I'll mention 5dd, press enter. अरे हुआ क्या कुछ? 5dd, press enter. Is it done or not? 5dd, done or not? 5dd. It's happening, man. See, can you see? 5dd. When I'm doing 5dd na, see, it's getting deleted. 5dd. Can you see? 5dd. So that's the way you can do 5dd if you want to delete 5dd. Are you able to understand? 5 and then dd, it will be done. Okay, it will be done. Okay, 5dd. That's how it works. And if you want to just delete current line, you can use dd command. Current line, dd command. If you want to do undo, u, see here, u is undo. Okay, so that's the way you can do. Any more questions? आज पूछो, आज तलाक हुआ भी तो भी चलेगा, आज जाऊंगा नहीं मैं, आज पूछ ही लो. So we are starting our again I'm telling you, we are starting our Linux class. Okay, so please make sure that everyone fill up the details and what I'm saying, and we are going to start with the Linux class now. Okay, so thank you so much for listening me again and again. Please provide the review. Okay, here we are going to start with the Linux, we are going to start with the SQL. क्या बोल रहा हूँ मैं, ये उम्र हो गई तो ऐसे होता है. ओके, एनीवे लेट्स स्टार्ट. Okay, thanks guys, thank you for listening me. We'll do that. Okay, thank you. Stop streaming.